today, Bob? 18th? No, 22nd. 22nd of February. We got 157 miles to go to our first drop. We are loaded. We are loaded. First thing first, we gotta go get the cocoa juice. And then we'll see what we do. We got the load where we gotta bring something back. That's gonna be fun. Anyway. So without further ado, let's get out of here. Alright, time to get some go-go juice. That's the price after my 5 cents. It's okay. So far so good. I don't know. I'll get some. I gotta get my truck washed real bad. Oh, look at this. Alright, so this is what we got. $80 worth of diesel pump, 23 gallons. Our needle just moved to a halfway. Ain't that some shit? Alright guys, let's get out of here. We gotta get there on time. We got sunrise. Working out, tired, sleepy, need to go to the bathroom, gotta get to the places, running late.
In a quarter mile, slight right onto Old Charleston Road.
Let's go up the bridge, see what we see.
At the next light, turn left.
Yeah, now we're heading to North Charleston from John's Island. Very pretty. I don't know if you can see it or not with the sun shining. We came from that side. See that smoke thing over there? We seen it earlier from the other side of the trees. Now we gotta look for the post office.
In 800 feet, turn right.
I'm behind the building. The big white building. Let's get this unloaded and get the hell
Take
out.
the next right, then your destination will be on the right.
We gotta go through here though, not there. Remember we had to turn around.
Take the next right onto Meeting Street Road, then turn right.
I go right there to get in. Alright, we got, I don't know if you see it. How many miles to go to Amazon facility at Hanahan, South Carolina. From there, hopefully they have our freight ready.
1,000 feet, turn right.
God, mother Congress. And then we head out, go back home. Look at that truck. I think that's a Harley Davidson edition of International. Anywho, so we see all on the road.
Trail Road.
Alright, we almost there.
After
guys. We
300
are
feet, turn
almost
slightly
there.
left onto North Point Industrial Road.
But they had the truck cut off
Now
on
turn
us
slightly left.
again. It has something to do with the headlights. Every time I turn the headlight on, the truck cuts off. It happened one time at Amazon, at the house. And now it happened again, so after we get home this afternoon, the truck's going out of service until we find out what's going on with the headlights, because most of our loads are at nighttime and I gotta have the light. But let's just hope and pray that we make it home on
After 1,000
safe and
feet,
secure,
turn
and we
left
have to
onto
worry about
Metro.
calling anybody to rescue us. So we're about to pull up to Amazon, Hanahan, South Carolina. So we see y'all in a little bit. We got 185
Proceed to route.
miles to go.
After 500 feet, turn left onto Magi Road.
So far we have driven 212 miles. After this, the truck's gonna be down until we get the wiring fixed. So y'all won't hear from us anytime soon. But in the meanwhile, let's get out of here. We got, what we got? 1 cart and 4 transfer or gaylords, whatever they want to call them. That's how much diesel I got again from Parker's. 328.9. They gave us that much. They give or take half a tank. Alright, now we gotta back out, because I know where I can make it out of here. So here we go. Alright guys, we're on the back road of South Carolina. A truck has stalled out again. And we have blocked off the traffic on I-26. Especially because we would have passed through the construction zone and there was no shoulder to pull over. Man, I didn't take no pictures. I should have, but I didn't. I had to call the law and everything. But after what, almost an hour or so, sat on the side of in the middle of the road on I-26, blocking the traffic. We finally got the truck running. But this time we're just gonna avoid the highway. We're just gonna go on the back road and make it home. I'm gonna be about an hour or so late going to Amazon, so they're gonna penalize me. But at least I'll get home. I already called my mechanic. He's gonna look into it. So Snowflake going straight to the shop, going straight to his doctor. I'm gonna have to get her checked out before anything happens. It ain't nothing major, but it ain't nothing minor neither. So We kind of sort of had troubleshooted, and I think it's the ECM wire connectors might have some issues, but I'll show it to you later. For now, just enjoy the scenery of whatever we had in South Carolina. Dorchester or something like that. In Williston, South Carolina. We come over here through to the movie. Living in Williston, Georgia. But she's still raining. That slow boy in the white truck. These people don't know how to pass them. There was a car in front of us. Apparently passed them, but these two idiots didn't come. It's a nice stretch right here, but they ain't gonna go. I don't have enough room, otherwise I'll do it. See that car? All of it there in the front. It was in between these two, and he decided to go. Like her gets in accident. Folks don't know how to merge. Augusta, Georgia. Our mini spaghetti too. Oh damn, Bobby gotta go through a scale. Getting close to Amazon, guys. We finally made it this far. That's a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Little bit more, and then we'll be home. Woo, Amazon on site. Shit. Alright guys, we'll catch up on the next one.